Hi guys, today I'm here with the 2023 Toyota Yaris ATIV, and it will be called Toyota Yaris Sedan and Toyota Vios in some countries. And today I will give you some walk around tour of it. Okay, let's unlock the car. As you can see here, the headlights of the Toyota Yaris ATIV is full LED, which means that the high beam, low beam is LED, turning signal is LED, and DRL or daytime running lights is also LED. Instead of fog lights, it will get this thing, which helps with the aerodynamics of the car. Looking at the side of the car, you may see that the shoulder line is sharper than the outgoing Yaris ATIV, and the rims here that you are seeing in this video is 16-inch alloy wheels. The great thing is every trim level of Yaris ATIV in Thailand gets alloy wheel as standard, so no more hubcaps, no more steelies. Looking at the back of the Toyota Yaris ATIV, you may see that the tail lights of the car is full LED, and also there is a trunk release button here. There is a material here to cover up the metal sheet, which looks nice considering the price of the car. But sadly, there's no spare tire in this car. Just empty space to put your stuff. The lower bottom of the rear bumper has this diffuser. It is in piano black and it has this trim. It actually does nothing, unlike the one that located up front. Let's get inside of the car. The mirror is automatic. Okay, push the start button. The gauge cluster is a TFT screen, as well as the radio unit, which is also the screen made by Pioneer. You're reversing, the rear view camera will appear here. It also has the 360-degree view or bird eye view over here on the left side. This car also comes with the adaptive cruise control with the stop and go function, which means that you can use it in a traffic jam. Auto high beam, auto start, stop, pre-collision warning, blind spot monitoring, and etc. The vanity mirror in this car is very big. Look at the size of it. This is my hand, and look at that. It's bigger than an iPhone 13 Pro Max. But the funny thing is, other side, like passenger side, does not get the vanity mirror. Only the driver can have it. So it's kind of weird. It's pretty shallow. The handbrake is electronically operated with the brake hold function. The ambient light in this car can be changed in several colors, like this, which looks pretty nice at night. The rear seat of the Toyota Yaris ATIV has this air conditioning vent with 2 charging ports, and but it does not have the center armrest for rear passenger, and the headrest of the back seat cannot be adjusted, and also the rear seat cannot be folded down as well. The lights inside the car is all LED. In terms of leg rooms, I am 178 centimeter tall. I sit pretty comfortable back here, but the problem is headroom. I don't have any space left.